Your garden is your pride, your farm is your livelihood, but lurking among the greenery are tiny enemies that can cause big problems. Let's explore how to protect your farm and food from the most common pests. First on the list, aphids. These tiny sap-sucking insects can weaken plants by feeding on their juices. The solution? Introduce natural predators like ladybugs or use neem oil as an organic spray. Next, armyworms. These caterpillars march through crops, devouring foliage in large groups. Protect your plants by using biological controls like Bacillus thuringiensis or BT, or physical barriers such as row covers. Asparagus beetles target your prize spears. Hand-pick these beetles and their eggs and use insecticidal soap to keep them at bay. Cabbage loopers and their green cousins, cabbage worms, are known for damaging cabbage and related crops. Protect your garden with floating row covers and biological solutions like parasitic wasps. The corn earworm loves the tips of corn ears and vegetables. Apply mineral oil to corn silk or use pheromone traps to disrupt their life cycle. Cucumber beetles not only eat plants but spread diseases like bacterial wilt. Diatomaceous earth around plants and yellow sticky traps can reduce their population. Slugs and snails leave more than slime. They can destroy young plants. Combat them with beer traps, crushed eggshells, or organic slug pellets. Leafminers tunnel through leaves, leaving visible trails. Remove and destroy affected leaves and introduce predatory insects like parasitic wasps. For pests like flea beetles, grasshoppers, spider mites, and whiteflies, consider these approaches. Flea beetles use sticky traps and apply kaolin clay. Grasshoppers employ netting and introduce natural predators like birds. Spider mites wash leaves with water and apply miticides. Whiteflies use reflective mulch and insecticidal soap. The key to a thriving garden is integrated pest management. Combine natural predators like ladybugs and parasitic wasps, organic sprays like neem oil or insecticidal soap, preventive measures like row covers and crop rotation. Your farm and food are worth protecting. With these strategies, you can outsmart garden enemies and keep your crops thriving. Remember, a healthy garden starts with knowing your enemies and being prepared. Protect your farm, protect your future. Call to action, visit your website name.com for more tips.